YouTube beauty community is one of the most flourished industries that earns millions of dollars every year. Though this community was meant to spread knowledge about beauty tutorials and beauty products, in recent years, there are more scandals and drama that came into light. In today's video, we have brought up those biggest scandals that hit YouTube and beauty gurus who were backlashed by many of the beauty fans. So without further ado, let's find out what all this hype is about. How did YouTube beauty community start? Before talking about the beauty scandals, there should be a tour of how the YouTube beauty community actually started. Going back to 2006, a makeup tutorial named "Makeup Lessons Look Hot in 5 Minutes or Less" was uploaded by Adrienne K. Nelson. Though there is no proof that any beauty-related video was uploaded before, Nelson's video was recommended as the first makeup tutorial on YouTube. But the sad thing is, after uploading 4 videos, she disappeared from the YouTube world. After that, creators like Michelle Phan, Lauren Luke, Marlena Stell, and Nikki Tutorials stepped into the YouTube world and were considered as the founders of the YouTube beauty community in 2007. With that, more influencers started getting into the YouTube community, and now it's ruled by some of the most popular digital stars like Jeffree Star, James Charles, Tati Westbrook, Nikki Tutorials, Jackie Aina, and Jaclyn Hill. Time after time, these beauty gurus got famous on YouTube, and many of them started their own beauty line. But in recent years, these beauty gurus are more in gossip for their scandals and feuds, which often overshadow the community. So let's check out the scandals that have been overshadowing the beauty community for years. Kat Von D anti-vaxxer accusations. Kat Von D, another sensation in the YouTube beauty community, started her YouTube channel in 2011. Her YouTube channel Felix Von A was a big hit when she started giving makeup tutorials and soon came up with her own makeup line in Sephora. Alongside of that, Kat has another YouTube channel, the Kat Von D, that offers official music videos of her own. However, this beauty and musical sensation has come up into many controversies, but the most sparked one was an accusation of being an anti-vaxxer. During her pregnancy, she used to post her vegan pregnancy lifestyle on Instagram with a comment that she has an intention to raise her child as a vegan without vaccination. After that, Kat reposted a video in March 2019 where she denied being an anti-vaxxer. She explained her hesitation about vaccine ingredients and ended up saying that she and her husband will take the pediatrician's advice for her children and she had learned her lesson. Jaclyn Hill's fake lipstick. Jaclyn Hill, another famed YouTuber that got her fame for making celebrity makeup tutorials. She started her journey on YouTube in 2011 and her fame was rising in the YouTube beauty community. In 2019, she announced on her YouTube channel the launch of her own beauty brand, Jaclyn Cosmetics, which featured her new lipstick line of 20 nude colors. She claimed her products have some beautiful colors with a creamy texture that smells like vanilla. But the scandal came out when the product landed on the customer's hand. Soon, customers noticed the lipstick contains hair, bits of plastic, and pieces of metal in their lipsticks. Social media broke out with backlashes against Hill and her makeup brand. After that, Jaclyn reposted the video on YouTube, blaming the manufacturer for the fault that occurred in the lipsticks. Jeffree Star's racism. Jeffree Star, one of the most talked about YouTube beauty gurus, started his journey on YouTube in early 2007. Since the beauty guru started his journey on YouTube, he began to get fame and was featured in many other beauty YouTubers' videos. After that, Jeffree came up with a beauty line named Jeffree Star Cosmetics and was doing well with his YouTube channel and cosmetic line until the backlash happened. The sensational beauty guru Jeffree Star was accused by his fellow YouTubers of being racist in past decades and posted a video where Jeffree Star was bullying a woman saying the N-word. With that, the controversy started and Jeffree Star faced backlashes from many YouTubers and fans for his behavior in the past decades. However, Jeffree Star made a video named Racism where he apologized for his behavior and explained he was only 19 when he made those mistakes. With that, we come to the end of those scandals and controversial stories that rocked the YouTube platform in the past years. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching our video. If you liked the video, then hit like and share it with your friends. Comment below to let us know your thoughts. Consider subscribing to the channel if you love our videos and press the bell icon to get notified of our future videos.